As we mentioned earlier, we're continuing to follow the shooting of a Des Moines police officer by friendly fire.
Yeah, the shooting happened as both officers were responding to a call early this morning. What we know right now is that the officer who was shot through the chest. He's in serious condition, but is expected to survive his injuries.
The other officer is on paid administrative leave as the Iowa Division of Criminal Investigation investigates. Des Moines police say officers fired after a suspect was seen holding a gun. That suspect was killed.
We have team coverage for you tonight as we dig deeper into what happened this morning. KCCI's Ophelia Jacobson is live at the Des Moines Police Department. Ophelia, this is an ongoing investigation.
Yes, Stacy and Ben, it really is. There are still a lot of unanswered questions. We still don't know the name of the suspect, nor do we know the names of the officers involved in this shooting. The Iowa Division of Criminal Investigation says they're working with the Des Moines Police Department to provide transparency throughout this entire investigation.
Officers acted in the moment in what they thought was the best for the situation.
Special Agent Adam DeCamp says the Iowa Division of Criminal Investigation is investigating a shooting that left one suspect dead and a Des Moines police officer seriously injured. The officer was accidentally wounded by friendly fire. DeCamp says they're gathering evidence.
We know one of the officers was injured in this. We haven't had an opportunity to talk with them. So it's going to be a while before we can really release a lot of new information about this shooting.
DeCamp says it's not required that DCI investigates cases like this. He says Des Moines police requested the investigation.
I believe that speaks to the transparency that the Des Moines Police Department is trying to provide in this situation.
Anytime a police officer gets injured in the line of duty, it's a tragic event.
William Mulder served as Des Moines police chief for 18 years. He says an officer being shot by another officer is rare.
Those are such chaotic situations that you get tunnel vision and you only see the bad guy. And you really are not cognizant of much else.
Mulder says officers spend more time on firearms training than anything else. He says mental health will be important following the shooting.
The officer that did the shooting and hit the second officer is going to be really remorseful about it.
The Polk County Attorney's Office and the Iowa Attorney General's Office will be involved in the case.
Prosecutors, so the county attorney and the attorney general's office, can make a determination if the officer acted within the scope of the law of Iowa pertaining to police officers.
And I did ask the DCI if the suspect fired any shots this morning. They say they are not talking about that at this time because they want an opportunity to talk to everyone involved in this incident. Live in downtown Des Moines, Ophelia Jacobson, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.
Okay.